Hey all, let us see some of the data types in system Verilog. Okay, so let us see what is the difference between logic data type that was introduced in system Verilog and region wire data types which are already present in Verilog. Okay, coming to the similarities, all these data types are of 4-state variable. That means it can have values like 0, 1, x and z. Okay, and coming to the dissimilarities or differences between logic and region wire. So, logic can be driven in both procedural blocks as well as in continuous blocks. Okay, so this is the major disadvantage when it comes to region wire data types. Why is it? Because if you see in the Verilog, okay, rich data type can't be used for continuous assignment statements. That means we can't drive the rich data type for continuous assign statements. And in procedural blocks, like when you are using like always an initial block, you can use only rich. Okay, so these are some of the limitations for rich and wire usage in case of Verilog, which is why we have introduced the logic data type in system Verilog, which overcome these limitations. Because in when you are using a logic, it can be used for both ridge and wire also. That means this logic can be converted as ridge or wire. So based on the statements that you are using, if you are using a continuous statement, it will be used as wire, or if you are using the procedural blocks, it will be used as a ridge. So logic is just a replacement for ridge and wire also. Okay, and coming to one other differences between logic and ridge and wire. So for ridge and wire we can have multiple drivers. Okay, but for logic it is possible for only driving one variable at a time. Clear? So this is the differences and similarities between logic, ridge and wire. In order to know more data types that were introduced in system Verilog like strings, okay, user defined and predefined. So all these things you will know in the full length video that I have already uploaded in my YouTube channel. Okay, so click on the link below and go to that particular video to check all the data types that were introduced in system Verilog. Thank you.